The blockchain trilemma is one of the most prominent challenges that has faced blockchain technology over the last 10 years. It describes the fundamental challenge of blockchains to simultaneously address decentralization, security, and scalability. An increase in one usually comes at the expense of the other two, and it is extremely difficult, perhaps impossible, to create a solution that perfects all three simultaneously. The blockchain trilemma may very well be unsolvable, but only for a single layer blockchain. By separating the concerns of the blockchain trilemma into multiple layers, a single network can embrace higher levels of all three at the same time, and it is on this basis that Nervos Network was born. Layer 1 focuses on security and decentralization because these are the essential traits that a base layer must have in order to support an ecosystem. Every layer built on top of Layer 1 will rely on it. Therefore, any compromise on security or decentralization at the foundational level would make the entire ecosystem vulnerable, risking collapse at a later date. Layer 1 provides an environment that is, number 1, highly secure and extremely resilient to attacks from bad actors. Number 2, decentralized, permissionless, and censorship resistant. Number 3, designed to serve as a foundation and provide benefit to the layers built on top. Layer 2s and above are optimized for high throughput. As more participants enter the ecosystem, more Layer 2s can be added to increase total network capacity. If all the Layer 2s begin to fill up, Layer 3s can be added. This allows nearly unlimited levels of scalability, since there is no limit to the number of layers that can be added. Layer 1 serves as a provider of trust in the form of security and decentralization. Layer 2 and above inherit this trust from Layer 1. When layers are stacked in this manner, scalability can be obtained while maintaining higher levels of security and decentralization. Let's look at some of the key elements of Nervos Network's approach to multi-layered scaling solutions. Combined consensus. Layer 1 relies exclusively on proof of work for consensus. Since Layer 1 must provide trust to an entire ecosystem, a robust security model must be an uncompromised first principle. This makes proof of work the natural choice since it is the most secure, decentralized, and thoroughly battle-tested consensus model in existence. Layer 2s can utilize any form of consensus such as proof of stake. They then rely on Layer 1 to help settle disagreements in Layer 2 consensus quickly and absolutely. This model allows transaction volume to scale with the security benefits of proof of work, but without the need to perform additional proof of work on each layer. When combined together, all the benefits of both proof of work and proof of stake can be realized. This hybrid consensus model maximizes security, decentralization, and scalability in a way that is safe, well understood, and reliable. Godwoken. Godwoken is a Layer 2 network that is optimized for high-performance Ethereum smart contract execution within the Nervos ecosystem. Godwoken is 100% compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which enables Ethereum developers to start building on Nervos immediately without having to learn anything new. Existing dApps can add support for Nervos extremely quickly in true plug-and-play fashion. Godwoken is built using an industry-proven scaling solution known as an optimistic rollup, which dramatically increases total network capacity. It does so by moving smart contract execution from Layer 1 to Layer 2, and only settling assets back to Layer 1 when needed. Think of it like a bar tab, where invoices are not settled for each purchase, but instead at the end of a period of time. But Godwoken is more than just a Layer 2. It is also a framework that allows for the creation of additional Layer 2 networks, each with customizable attributes. Different consensus models, different types of smart contracts, and even different types of virtual machines from other ecosystems are all possible. This allows Nervos to adapt and remain compatible with advancements in any ecosystem, regardless of how different the architecture is. Axon. Axon is an EVM-compatible sidechain that offers even higher throughput than a Layer 2. This is ideal for use cases where processing high volume is important, but the security demands are less important. An Axon sidechain offers a high level of configurability, which can be tailored to specific application requirements. Axon can be run using proof of authority, proof of stake, or delegated proof of stake consensus models. It can be run as an open and permissionless platform that any developer can use, or it can be run as a purpose-driven blockchain exclusively dedicated to a single dApp. Combined with the inbuilt multi-chain capabilities that maximize interoperability, Axon provides an exceptional building environment for high-performance applications. There are thousands of blockchains in existence, but not all are created equal. Different use cases will have different requirements. It is impossible to have a single approach that is the best option for all situations. Nervos is unique in providing a host of solutions which target different areas of the blockchain trilemma all at once. Developers can choose an optimal solution for their exact situation and are free to upgrade as their product grows and their requirements change. This approach provides flexibility now and in the future. With Nervos, everybody wins.